Gold and silver has started the week and the month on a bearish note. Those who had watched my monthly prediction and review the day before yesterday on my channel must know the reasons that what can be expected out of gold and silver, and it has started to behave in the same zone. Now what should we expect today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session, which will bring more volatility, and how to profit with that we will also see with the next update. Thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Watch this. First look at the hourly charts of gold. You can see this. We have seen gold is struggling to break beyond 2530. It has attempted 4 to 5 times to break beyond this. Hitting the wall, we have seen it reverse. It is as good as in simple words when you know that there is no other way left for you on the upside, you can always try to reverse the trend. And that is what has happened. Gold last week you have seen a dip towards 2494, then a retracement today towards 2505. Now also see how strong is the resistance at 2505. You can see this multiple times. It is attempted to break past but failing to do so. We have seen it again dropping. Moving averages here are also crossed over and are trading with divergence. Thus, there are greater resistances available for gold on the upside towards 2505 and 2510, 2512 zone, which are definitely greater resistances. What has happened? Three increasingly bearish candles. Now it is trying to retrace. The stochastic here is oversold. The MACD here has seen good enough bearishness, and thus it can try to retrace a little. Right now it is looking downwards though. RSI has also come to oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts also similar observation. The crossover in the moving averages certainly is a bearish sign. Greater resistance available at 2505, and after the resistance it has shown a reversal sign, and then couple of bearish candles has appeared. Now it is trying to consolidate here. The stochastic here is looking down. MACD is trading with divergence and extreme bearishness. A bounce back may appear, but right now it is looking downwards. RSI has dropped, coming to 3. See, interesting thing here is the bearish crossover since the last few weeks, a couple of months, we have seen that the sell crossovers are very, very short-lived. And see, the bull run is always very, very strong. And now, after a long run, it is trying to cross over here on 3 hour charts. This is certainly a bearish. Also, if you see, now this is the second bearish candle in formation, and there is possibility of a third bearish candle. Last time also I have mentioned when gold was rising that the Bollinger Bands are expanding on both sides, and thus the upside is limited. Possibly it could reverse, and that is what has happened here. The stochastic here is also at bottom. The MACD right now on the 3 hour charts is looking downwards, staying bearish, and the RSI is also looking downwards and staying bearish. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour charts. See, series of bearish candles. The flat top here at 25, 29, 25, 30, and then the reversal, retracement, and then first bearish candle. I will expect it to deliver second and third bearish candle in series here, which means that the prices might take a dip, and thus you can sell here at 24, 88, 90 zone. Expect 24, 82, 84 as the first target. 23, 24, 78, 80, and 24, 84 are going to remain greater support levels, below which we can say very, very good bearish move again, where prices may fall even towards 2450 levels very, very soon. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is at bottom here. Coming to daily, and yes, those who have not joined my mentorship batch, join my mentorship batch and learn how to trade profitably. And if you do not want or you do not have time to learn, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments including indices and commodities from across the globe in a single channel. Do join it today and enjoy the profits. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Join the and also join the free Telegram channel as well. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. It offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and withdrawals, and a safer environment for you to trade. So do join it today. Now look at the daily chart. See, right now what has happened, prices have come down to take the support from the 20 period. It is very, very important for prices to breach below the 20 period moving. You can see for last 2 to 3 weeks, the gold is taking support from the 20 period moving average beautifully. And then if it stays below, first of all, it has to close below the 20 period moving average on the daily basis. Then the possibility of prices moving towards the 50 period will increase, which is around 2450 level. And this also makes this zone at 2488, 2490 as a very, very good support for the day. Yes, first bearish candle, and the second in making, it could be a further bigger one. It could also leave a little wick or tail on the downside, means it can keep moving towards 2470 today and close at around 2480. This possibility you cannot ignore. Stochastic looking down, look at the MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence and looking downwards, staying bearish. This could take the prices further down, though if you look at the formation here, it appears that there is not much of a move. But when you see on the weekly charts, I think the bulls are now exhausted. RSI is looking down as well. So considering, see, buying entry today is only about 25.05 levels, where you can expect 25.10, 25.12 as the first target, 25.16 as the second, 25.21.5 as the third, and 25.26, 25.30 as the fourth and fifth levels. Very, very, very strong resistances exist for gold till it stays below 25.30. I do not see it happening today, at least. On the downside, I will recommend you to watch out how it behaves at 24.88.90. You can take a selling entry here. Expect 24.84.82 first, 24.78.5, 79.5 second, and then 24.70 the third. Below 24.70, chances will be very, very, very high that we will look forward to 24.60, 24.48, and 24.40 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts, I have mentioned last time as well, drop retracement, consolidation here, and then this drop. This is what we had discussed the last trading session on the last week. What has happened today? Drop retracement again. Now $29 levels have become a milestone for it to break past by. As long as silver stays below 29, we should not be treating this as bullish for the day, for the week. What is happening here on the early charts? One bearish candle, bearishness getting diminished, and now prices are trying to stabilize here at 28.30 level. But it does not mean that it does not have a scope on the downside. There is not much of a scope available for silver on the downside. Moving averages here have also crossed over, and these are also trading with divergence and staying bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is also coming to oversold zone here. Coming to 2 hour charts, yes, a wall here at 29.28.80, first bearish candle, and the second one in making. Possibility exists that it can take a dip here, 28 and 27.80. This is the zone which is going to provide first support zone, and then 27.50 levels. Three supports on the downside, else the prices are going to see a very strong dip very, very soon. Moving averages on the 2 hour charts are also crossed over and are trading bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish and divergent, RSI oversold here as well. On the 3 hour, similar observation, drop retracement, moving averages crossing over here, and this crossover is coming after almost 3 to 4 weeks, and I think this is going to live for a little while more, because see, look at the down move, it is sharp, and thus it appears that it may continue here for a while. Now look at the 3 hour charts. Yes, definitely greater resistance, first bearish candle, second one is making, and it appears that it can keep moving downwards. 28 15 $28 levels should get achieved, which is definitely a good support. Oversold is stochastic, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour charts also, the moving average is crossing over, definitely a bearish sign. What is happening? One strong bearish candle, price is staying outside Bollinger Bands. Now when you see it is staying outside Bollinger Bands, you can say there will be a support from the downside. So this candle is trying to consolidate a bit. Also look now, Bollinger Bands are looking downwards, which is definitely a bearish sign. This suggests a change in trend here. So till 29, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold here. Coming to daily. Now let me show you something on the daily chart. See the drop, retracement. The drop, the retracement. Now this is trading in this bearish channel, lower lows, lower highs. Where are the lows for this channel? Is at $26 level. Can it move towards these levels? A strong possibility is there that we can see those levels very, very soon. Now if you see it at the top here, definitely a good resistance, and the resistance here from the 2050 period moving average till 28.80, 29. very strong resistance. First bearish candle, second in making, it can be a bigger one. It can take the prices towards $28 levels and in fact lower. Stochastic oversold. MACD crossing over here and trading with divergence certainly is a bearish sign for the near future and for the week as well. RSI looking down as well. Now, since we have seen a good drop already for the day, it could try to retrace and consolidate before taking a direction again. Now, a selling entry I will recommend in silver is at 28 levels, where you can expect 28.15 and 28 as a very good support. Below that, 27.75, 27.50 will appear. While there is a possibility of a little retracement, and if you want to risk, you can buy at 28.50, but then 28.60, 28.75.80, and then 29. It is only above $29 levels, you can say. Now the bulls are interested, the prices are reversing, and then you can look forward to 29.20, 29.50 levels, which I see that is a very less probability for the day. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Join the free Telegram channel for notifications. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do press the bell icon as well.